Hello, everyone. Good day to everyone who's listening to my video. First of all, I'd like to thank viewers who were able to watch my videos for the past week or for the past days. Thank you very much for your support and taking your time to see my videos and my reviews. Basically, I really want to share with you guys on what I learned on how to do price action and how to do price action analysis. This is only for educational purposes only, and this is just for that's it really. So let's begin. Let us first discuss on what happened to our Philippine Stock Exchange. Now take a look at this, guys. So what happens is this is Friday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Did the market do anything? I would say not really. We're just on a very tight range, right? So let's take a look at the 5-minute candle to have a closer view. This is Friday, right? So Monday happens, right? So the market went down. The market Friday closes here, open here, and tried to go down hard. Could not go down, went close around this one. Tuesday, it opened just enough for these, could be buyers breaking, taking even or taking profit, went down and closed below this area. But there's only one advantage. This is higher than this close here. So of course, the following day, you got here sellers trying to get out. Look at that. Buyers again pushing the market just enough to reach this area here, then went down again. See, so this area is so strong, as you can see here. Although we close a little bit higher, right? We're getting there, but we can't shake these guys off, right? So what I hope to see tomorrow to send some bullishness is that the market could open here, push up, drive all these sellers out, make them buyers when they go down, making sure they're not there anymore. So you don't want it to go down here. You want it to stay in this area here, then go up. So that's to prove to you that people who are selling here are now joining the crowd to become buyers to go there, to go to the upside. And that's what I think. But there is some similarities between the US market. The US market, this is Thursday, you got Friday, you got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So again, as you can see there, it looks like our market. Looks like that. So it's all like, but a little bit more to the downside. On the Philippine stock, it's more going to the upside. So let's hope we have enough power for tomorrow, right, to go up. So today, I'm very happy that I found a good stock to buy today. It is Pure Gold. So let us see why I choose Pure Gold. I've been eyeing for this company quite some time. And when I rescan, I really like this stock a lot, right? Now, of course, I'm just letting you know that I'm buying this particular company, but it does not mean that I would suggest everyone to buy this. You just have to take a look at it if it's good for you or not. But for me, let's take a look at a top-down approach for this stock, right? Okay, let's clear out some drawings so it will be more cleaner, right? All right, so let's begin. Where do we see here? Okay, so let us begin at the highest point of this particular stock. So as we can see here, the highest point for this stock happened in 2017, where it reached, the highest point here is 55.10. So let's mark that area with a horizontal line. The next, on 2018, on January, it tried to go up, but it can only reach to 55.05, just 5 cents, right? So right now, so basically this level here is important. This level here is important. But the market broke down. And it tried to go up, broke down again. So you know this particular area here, sellers were in control until March of this year. Now, the thing that I like about this stock, from the low, if we're gonna do there, the lowest point of this stock was, oh, excuse me, around 26 pesos. Then of course we generate a higher low, this area here. Then this will become an important zone here. Now, although it took us, I think, almost 3 months to break this level here, this level. So this area here is 50 pesos, is so important to the trader. So let's move that up. So let's see what happens. See? So now you know it's creating a higher high, and this is a first entry short down one. Sellers trying to push down, but buyers were able to answer here. So it drove the market up. And now we are in this area here. So if we take a look at the weekly, what happened? Okay. On the weekly chart, buyers were here, sellers tried to push it down, buyers answered with a small measured move. Take a look at that, guys. Measured move. Try that good. Then now we are in this level, going down, right? So I would say this level now, we broke above 50, and now we're gonna try to go above there. Now if we can stay above 50, there might be a chance we could go to 55.21. Now let's go back to the monthly for a bit. Now the monthly, if we're gonna do a second short entry to the downside, because this is the end of the month of September, this has to break here, which is this one is 47.20. This level is so important, right? If October will never reach this level, 47.20, then we're definitely going up there to the 55.21. So if we're gonna do a risk analysis for this particular stock, I bought it around this level here, around 49, almost that price. So there it is. But it does not mean if it reached below 47.20, I'm out. No, because this is more like what I say. I'm sort of like a trader slash investor. So, but what I'm thinking here is this has a good chance to go up. Now, if it does not reach below here, it may have a chance to go up above. So my goal is, if I can reach this area here and maintain, that's a good trade. So of course, if we go to the dailies, what happened? Take a look at the dailies, guys. On the dailies, right now, there's two levels here that I see that is so important, which is this level, which is the highest point, is 49.50, and this particular level here, 47.20. Now, what I like about this particular stock is this: as long as it can stay within this line and above, I would say this might be the bulls trying to take over. So I would say buyers are trying to take over for it to reach its all-time high, which is around this area here. That's what I see in this particular market. Now, if we go to the 5-minute, right? What happened? Although the market was pretty shaky, let's see for the past days who is in control. I would say we got a lot of buyers here, and now there's a few sellers trying to push it down, so we may have a chance to go up there. Like, I'm not saying it's 100%, but I would say we still have a chance. Okay, so now let's go for our HLCM. Let's do an HLCM. Let's go to the dailies for HLCM. This is also one of the companies that I also like. HLCM, what I like about this HLCM is, let's go to the monthly for a top-down analysis. All right, so who's in control, guys? Definitely, if you're, I know you guys were gonna tell me sellers are in control. Okay, that's for sure. Now let's take a look. Let's do a count from here on the top. First entry, second entry, it tried, and we went all the way down. Now its lowest point is, let's make this one bigger. Its lowest point was 44.40 was its lowest point, and ever since there, for the past 2 months, it's creating a higher high. All right, so it's okay overall. So let's take a look at a weekly here. On the weekly, let's take a look at from its low on August, right? It tried to go once going down, break this area, another area, so this area is important. Then now, second entry, 3 straight weeks going down, and now buyers could be trying to put a position. As long as it does not go below 520, we have a good chance to reach 650. That's what I see from the weekly. On the daily, let's zooming in to the closer. This is a very good sign. Of course, we know there was a very strong downtrend here, but it's now going sideways. Take a look at that. The first time it broke its previous high was in this September 17, broke once, tried again, went down. Now, the second entry to the long side is this, because basically this went up, it could open here, went up, went down. So that's still considered first entry. Now, from this low here, 520, it's go up, it tried again to go down. Ever since then, on the dailies, it never went below its low of the day. So now we're going up. So I would say tomorrow, if we go take a look at the 5 minutes, right? Oops, sorry about that, mistype. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That is good. Now, oops. So what I see here in the previous days, consolidation, breakout Tuesday, Wednesday tried to retest it today, this particular level, and now we're going up. So what I hope is, if this has enough power tomorrow to stay above, break out. And why this level is so important, let's 585. So let's go to the daily. 585 is here. If it goes above, if we drew an arrow there, let's see there, that's what I'm trying to see, go up, go down, and go up again. That's what I would love to see. So if we take a look at the 5 minutes, that's what I'm seeing right now. If we're able to maintain above 562, 550, break this 585, hoping that when they come back down to 585, there's no more sellers but all buyers. Now that's a good sign for this particular company going up. That's what I love to see, guys. Now let's do a recap on some stocks that I was discussing a while ago. MBT. Wow. Now let's first take a look at the dailies for MBT to have a better view. Wow. Today, look at that, guys. I sold it here. It went above and now it's going down. Wow. So let's take a look at the 5 minute to have a very closer look. So of course, I sold it off here, went down, went up all the way, and let's take a look. Let's mark this level here to see what's going on. Why? Now the good thing about today is that it broke out. Now the only way MBT is going to continue, tomorrow it may go down to 380, 38.40, and if this does not go down straight, then we have a big chance, guys, that MBT is going 39, even higher. Look at that, guys. If that goes there, cannot break that level, see this resistance became support. Oh my goodness. 39, if we go to the dailies, let's mark this area here to be sure where we are. Look at that, guys. And we are going to 39. Now let's make this one smaller to have a better view. And it's going to hit this area. Only if buyers will show up there, sellers will try to push down, buyers will show up, and no more sellers, definitely. Now another of our stock that we were discussing was BDO. Now on BDO, woo, I'm actually sweating here, guys, because I'm not so sure what's going on here. There's only two levels that's keeping me alive here, or keeping this trade alive, is this one, 85 and 93.50. Now we are stuck in this level. Now for 4 days, BDO is more. Let's go to the 5-minute to have a very closer look. Take a look at this, guys. See, if we draw a level there, it never revisit 87 again, and now it's even lower, and now it's going down to the low, so which means sellers are taking ground from here. Now they are pushing the market down. Buyers need to do something tomorrow. If it reach below this level here, which is around 85, 86, and stay there, we're in trouble. So buyers has to show up tomorrow. I cannot see yet because for the past 2 days it's closing down, and now it's even closing even lower right now. So more sellers are now adding their position. So I hope that we can break this downtrend to push up. So that's for BDO. Another of our trade is JFC. Now JFC, if we take a look at the dailies, there's not much change here. We're still on a very strong uptrend. Now if we take a look at the 5-minute, it's still sort of like it's still good to the upside, so we're still okay. There's not much changes here, right? And it closed above. So if we go back to the dailies, I would say as long as we stay above this area here for tomorrow, we may have a chance it will revisit these two areas. And once it visits these two areas, we now may be able to break this particular zone here. Now, if we break this particular area, what I would like to see is buyer straight up, sellers might push it down to get out, and now once they're out, it's all buyers again. That's what I hope to see in this market, right? But anyway, hope is not a strategy, but at least we know where are the levels that are important for this particular market. So thank you very much for taking your time. Take care and have a great day.